In 2021, HICOCA completed the industrial layout and established 4 subsidiaries. They are HICOCA, HICOCA, and HICOCA International Trade Company. The business footprint covers the north and south of China, selling well in more than 40 countries and regions around the world. In the field of food packaging, HICOCA and the Dutch engineer team researched the gusset bag packaging machine. HICOCA independently researched the new generation of automatic packaging machine, which can meet different packaging needs and save 80% of labor costs for the enterprise. The stick noodle production line realizes the automation of the stick noodle from dough mixing, calendaring, drying, cutting, weighing, packaging, to robotic palletizing. The team with 30 years of experience in rice noodle production and experience of researching equipment has developed various forms of rice noodle production lines, provide customers with integrated solutions. The research of the whole line of bionic steamed react has realized the automatic production. It has achieved a major breakthrough in that the taste is better than the handmade. The intelligent production line of fresh noodles and semi-dry noodles has innovatively developed the small dough composite calendaring. With the continuous and automated production process, the fresh noodles produced are easy to cook and has a pretty tasty. The fried and non-fried instant noodle production line has advanced technology, high output and low consumption. The commercial udon and the ramen noodle machine meet the development needs of modern catering, have gradually become the preferred equipment for central kitchens and catering stores. Customer-centric. That is, to think what customers think and consider what customers need. HICOCA has set up 400 and the Advanced Information Processing System. Special personnel are waiting 24 hours a day, with customers as the center. The company built a 5-hour after-sales service circle. High-quality machines and perfect and thoughtful service have won praises from many domestic and foreign customers. Those who succeed in ancient times are not only talented, but also have perseverance. Since its establishment in 2007, HICOCA has not only gone through a journey from spring to spring, but a road to progress. Fulfilling the mission and interpreting the path of forging ahead with actions, with the attitude of an entrepreneur. HICOCA will always fight every day seriously and contribute to the healthy and orderly development of Chinese food industry.